Hi guys, and welcome back into another video. And if you are new here, welcome. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and welcome into this home where we do sort of things. We do cooking, we do competition of eating, we do, just any random games that we find. We have family fun activities, and if you love such kind of videos, remember to just hit that subscribe button. And in today's video, we are going to be making kangumu. In Kenya, kangumu is the best snack that we can ever do. We call them half cakes. If you would love to try this, if you're not in Kenya, you can surely do so. But I will always remember to write the ingredients in the description down below. If you want, you can always try it, and let's grow together. So without blabbing too much, let's jump into the video. All right, into our bowl, we are going to use flour. So you can either use self-raising flour, or you can use, to make things easy, you can decide to go with self-raising flour. If not, you can do all-purpose flour. And if you're doing all-purpose flour, remember to put bicarbonate of soda, and you mix with baking powder. So onto our large bowl, we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and then we will go in with baking powder, half teaspoon, and then we will go in with milk powder, a 1/4 cup, and then we will go in with a 1/4 cup of sugar, and we will mix this together. Make sure everything is incorporated very well. And then after mixing like this, we have those that use butter or margarine, like myself, but you can either go in with butter or cooking oil, whichever that works well for you. You can use that. And this is 1 tablespoon. Mix this in very well. I'll make a well, and then I will pour in our 1 cup of milk as we mix it. Remember, the ngumu doesn't need soft dough, so you put in milk as you desire until you get somewhat kinda hard, not so soft dough. Flour to be like this, not hard, not soft. Okay, so you can either decide to let it rest for about 10 minutes, then you can continue cooking, or if you are in a hurry, just cook immediately it's ready. But for us, we are going to cover this and let it sit for about 10 minutes, then we come back. 10 minutes are over. Now you can just remove the dough from the bowl and just put it on the surface, like slightly dust the surface with a little bit of flour, and then just go ahead and roll up the dough into desired shape. And one of my secrets of this is just don't roll the dough out into like small thickness. Just make sure the thickness is a bit thick so that you can get the desired size and shape of the dough. Now next onto our oil. You're just trying to see whether our oil is ready. Just remember, when you're doing the kangumus, make sure the oil is not very hot. That's the effect we are looking for, just a little bit of bubble, so that the kangumu can be able to raise by itself, not being forced to be cooked. If you use the oil that is already heated up, the kangumu will not be able to cook in the inside properly. So as you can see on your screen, you just let it rise up so that it can continue cooking up slowly. Just make sure the temperature of the oil is a little bit low and you're cooking on low burner for you to get the best results out of the kangumus. It is the best that you can ever try. Keep on turning the kangumu for a better result. If you leave it to overcook on the one side and then on the other side, by the time you're turning, it will be already be brown, like brown in color. So just keep turning. Don't feel like you doing much. Now as you can see, it is already ready. Now the color is wonderful. It looks really beautiful, and we enjoyed those ngumus. They are so good for your businesses, so good for your home, for visitors, for any activities that you want to do with them. One thing I love about cooking is that you can use anything that you have in your house and just make it magical. Yep. All right, our cooking is done, and as you can see, our kangumus are ready, and you can serve this with any of your favorite drinks. Myself, I'm going with apple juice, which is nice and cold. So let's try and see how our ngumus look like. So as you can see, it's very crunchy from the outside, very crunchy. I love this. You can see that. All right, so it's very crunchy from the outside and very soft from the inside. Look at that. Yeah, so the secret to this is the milk powder. The milk powder gives it a very nice and distinguished flavor. So let's try this. If you try this at your place and you find it's very nice, please hit me up comment section down below and let me know. So let's do the test. This is very nice. You can feel the crunchiness. So good. All right, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.